man. Tomorrow will be good. We're recording now. Yeah, that would be the best day. Stop by after your boys lose. Oh no. That is. Sorry, you already got the bet on. This is our Saturday pre-Thanksgiving get-together, which we do as a tradition. Makes it easier for everybody else to get together. We're at Auntie Rose's humble abode. There she is. Glass of wine. That's how she looks the sexiest. There they are. Yeah, exactly. Goes perfect with the Merlot. There's really old people come to take a nap. Oh, there he is.
We're game time.
Yeah, can we get the channel something on here? What do we got going on here? What are you guys calling? SC or Oregon?
SC, baby. SC.
Oh, now you're really wanting me to go for Oregon today, I think. If you look closely here, these are the remnants of the feast.
Mom, for the first time trying it out, I think it was a hit.
Here's Irene's super duper, tremendous, stupendous mac and cheese. Oops, it's gone. Fun while it lasted.
Which one did you like better? This one or this one? Yeah.
Empty taters. Yes. Yes, I do.
Butter.
I got it all live right here. Noodles, butter.
Half and half.
Okay.
Eggs.
Eggs. Yeah, I would have never thought of that.
And then I used sharp cheddar, Monterey Jack, Munster cheese, feta cheese, Velveeta, and salt, pepper.
That's 6 cheese macaroni and cheese right there. Just in case anybody didn't know.
And then salt, pepper, seasoning salt, and garlic powder to taste as much as you like.
All right. I like it. And then you got to bake it or something or what?
Bake it. And then you add more cheese on top of that.
Bake it with more cheese on top. I love it. I'm going to do it. Let's see, where we got? Thank you, Irene. That's going on YouTube, so everybody will make it now.
YouTube. You better delete that. You're in trouble now.
Oh my goodness. Nobody's going to watch it but us. Relax. The most watches I have. How many is the most watches I have on my YouTube videos, babe? Like 11?
Yes.
See? So,
No, I think 18. I made him see if it counts. It doesn't, unfortunately. So I'm like, other people are really watching.
yeah, I told you.
That's kind of creepy. Why would
Yeah, well.
You ready for more? Yeah.
What happened?
Definitely.
What did you get?
Leaves of color.
Leaves of color. That's pretty sweet.
No more kids.
Val, say something funny.
Danny, something funny.
Oh, sorry. What?
Take a picture. Oh, the cousins. One.
Over here.
Oh, smile. 1, 2, and 3.
Say hi, Julie.
I'm stuck. Are you just going for school? Yeah. And they're gone.
Let's see, pregnant lady. Whoa!
What?
Whoa!
Cole, why is he making fun of me? In my stomach.
What's the matter? She got stung by a bee. You got to be careful with those bees.
She's got a baby in her belly.
Oh, you know what's going on. Never mind. He's too smart. I was just telling Cole how he got a bee sting. Mom got a bee sting.
Diego, what are you doing? Diego, what are you doing?
Connor's trying to climb the tree.
Oh, no, Connor. You're gonna break the tree.
That's not the kind of tree to climb.
That's the one to climb. You
My
can't.
mom said I can climb the tree.
Okay, well now you can't.
Because Auntie Rose is gonna be sad if you break all her leaves. Diego, get away from the tree.
Climb this tree. That takes some skills.
Yeah, get on that one.
Come on, let's see your skills.
It's a really big Christmas tree. Do you see?
No, but I can't climb it.
Try climbing it.
No, let's try to
I'll help you get up there.
fly.
Oh no, this one's not good. It's too dark out here.
Look, Dad, I thought I was gonna die. I'll get all of it. Push up. Push up. Guys. Push up. Push up. Push up. He's heavy. Okay.
Okay, we guys gotta get them down too.
Reach up for a strong branch.
No, that's not strong.
No,
That's not strong.
The one in front of your head.
You guys gonna drop
Not
them.
that
I shouldn't even
one.
be recording this. I should be.
No, get up. Grab onto that branch in front of your head. You're up. I got the ball. He climbs up. He climbed this very long tree that I cannot climb. Wow. I got the,
All the way high in the sky.
I got the ball.
Pretty good.
Good job, Connor. Hey, let's go show the video to your mom.
In a minute. I'll put it on the YouTube.
Let's go, Tia.
Let's go, let's go,
Connor,
let's go.
climb the tree.
Say hello. Hello. It's not a cigarette in your hand, is it, Carlos?
I don't know.
Oh, damn it.
I wouldn't let him, I promise.
You wouldn't?
No,
I wouldn't either.
better not.
His dad's in there. I don't want to get shot or anything like that.
Don't make your father angry.
Makes me go Asian.
Too late. Okay.